JD Cap 26 here. It is Tips and Repairs and Hobbies, and we've got a SOG here, and it's got 21 tools right there. It's the Power Access Deluxe. Here are all the tools on the other side. Let's open this up. Let's see here. Decided to get this tool. It's a pretty good tool. Hate to cut the flap here, but I have to. Pull it out. And we got the lawn people on the outside doing the lawn. Open this up. Wow, this is a really nice looking tool. Pretty hardy, like my last one. And it opens up a little bit stiffer than the other ones. A little bit stiffer than the other ones. You know? It's got measurements right here. You can measure angles with the tool. What I like about this tool is it's got the tools on the outside. It's got the saw on the outside. You just lift it up like that and you pull the tools out. A little bit harder to pull out. So pull that tool out. It's got a file. And let's see if we can get this other tool. This is the awl. Here's the tool for, we want to actually take that one out. And put this one in. And that one locks right there like that. So we'll lock like that. And let's see if we got the tools in here. Stock pouch. Here's the tools. So we open this up. I actually ordered another one of these to get this part from my other tool. Pull the socket off and put it on there like that. Pull a Phillips head, and it gives you a lot of torque this way to unscrew things. And that's magnetized. You could also go into the next position by lifting this part up and going like that and locking it in, and you have it like that. I like this tool, but you know, pulling out the tools themselves, they're a little bit harder on the inside right here to pull the tools out. So you have to pull out, you know, like the file, this tool, and then to get to that tool right there. Okay, let's go on this side. Power Deluxe here, and we were going to tune this, and we did loosen it a little bit with 2 T8s, but you don't have to do that. Okay, what you do with this multi-tool is you hold this open like this, and your tools come right out. Okay, and you know, my bad for not knowing that, but it just releases all the tools, but just by lifting this up like that, and then you can lock your tools in, and you lift it up again and you close it. I mean, they make really good tools. I really like their tools. I like the Leathermans too, don't get me wrong, and the Gerbers have their place. But that's how you do it. Just lift. If you say, "Gee, this tool is so tight, I have to loosen it with the Torx," you don't. You just lift it up, and your tools will just come popping out like that. Make sure you don't cut yourself doing it, but just like that, and you can get access to your tools. Actually, they put the what do you call it, for the socket and the screwdriver thing right in the middle. I would have set it maybe off to the side, but that's how they did it. So just lift this part up right here, and you'll be good to go. It locks like that, like this. You could pull all the tools out at once like that. That's why I wanted to show you guys, and check them out. It's a good tool to have. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.